Okay, so today we're going to be talking about nominal and real value. So when you're talking about value, we tend to think of the price of goods, how much we're paying for them, as our concept of what something's value is. And so for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to use a candy bar as a Hershey's bar as our method or our target. And so let's say we have one Hershey's bar. So this Hershey bar in 2014 costs us $1. Now, let's say there's another one, roughly identical, another Hershey bar from the 1900s, and back then the price was 5 cents. So if I told you which one costed less or costed more, it would be obvious. The 1900 one costed 5 cents, and the one today costs $1. But what if I asked you which one was worth more? Well, that's a little bit more tricky, because the nominal value is only descriptive in the sense of how much it costs in terms of the sticker price. The real value, however, is attempting to incorporate the state of the economy, the state of that good, and how much it's really worth in a much larger picture. So, in order to do that, we create things called baskets. So, the basket holds similar goods all put together, and so we have our Hershey's bar, our Reese's cup, another chocolate bar, all the different candies in one basket. Now, we also make a basket for the 1900s, for the year 1900, and we look at the average costs of a chocolate bar in 1900 and the average cost of a chocolate bar in 2014. And let's say from that data we find out that there's a 2,500% increase in the cost of candy. So we could translate that to a 25 times increase in the price. Now the way that nominal and real value works, and that 25 times, that's the price index. Now the way that we get real value is we use this 1900 value of chocolate as our base. That's our starting point. And so in order to find out how much this 2014 bar of chocolate is worth in terms of this 1900 prices or the 1900 economy, we have to divide that $1 by the change in the values of the baskets of all candy bars. And so that gives us 4 cents. So even though the price, the nominal value of the chocolate bar in 2014 is 95% greater than the chocolate bar in 1900, its actual value in terms of the overall economy, in terms of the overall candy bar sector, is less. It means less. That $1 is worth less to us than 5 cents was to someone in 1900. And that's the difference between nominal and real value.